The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. We explain this to ourselves. We comment on it ourselves. Everything is subsumed within the heart essence of wisdom. This is indeed the retinue of the bodhicitta. All the non-dual spaces of self-luminescent compilation are subsumed within the light of awareness. There are no dharmas that are not subsumed within the true nature of non-dual luminescence. The time is the time when everything is equal. The essence of self-luminosity has no top or sides. Particular events in the three times are gathered into unity in this self-evident bodhicitta. The teaching is the self-luminescence of every dharma, an unchanging space that is neither contrived nor adulterated. The wisdom of non-dual awareness is revealed by way of its self-appearance. We will understand this by placing ourselves within this uncontrived natural condition. There are 2 or 3 insiders who proclaim the teachings, but we will understand them when we use the way of instantaneous engagement. Clear knowledge is not to know anything at all. This is how we clearly know the self-appearance of wisdom. The teacher is perfect enjoyment, for his pleasures equal the end of the sky. His body, speech, and mind have no borders or limits, so it is that his pure land is pervasive. The place is the great Akanishta. Through the blessings of uncomplicated awareness, we abide at the crystal palace of the river of wisdom. It has neither outside nor inside. It is luminous wisdom. The teacher, perfect enjoyment, takes to himself the self-evident signs and exemplary markings, and takes possession of every bliss. His disposition is to visualize wisdom. The retinue is established in true self-awareness. They are, in fact, a retinue made up of the lords of the 10 levels. All of them are engaged in the significance of self-luminosity, and use a way in which their names are the same. The compiler is the Lord of Secrets, Vajradhara. He was empowered by all the victorious ones to compile this ocean of teachings that has no sound into the mandala of the wisdom of awareness. The time is the time when our awareness is settled in equanimity. We do not shift from the state of self-luminosity. This is the time we are aware that equanimity is self-liberation. There is nothing definite to be presented, saying, "This